Imagine a world where space travel is not just a dream, but a reality. A world where humanity has ventured beyond the confines of Earth, exploring the vast expanse of the cosmos. In the year 2024, a groundbreaking space mission was launched with the ambitious goal of reaching Alpha Centauri, the nearest star system to our own. The spacecraft, named Spaceship Hope, was equipped with cutting-edge technology and a crew of dedicated astronauts, all eager to make history. The journey was long and arduous, but the crew persevered, facing countless challenges along the way. They encountered solar flares, cosmic radiation, and the isolation of deep space. Yet, their spirits remained high, fueled by the knowledge that they were pioneers, pushing the boundaries of human exploration. Then, without warning, communication with Spaceship Hope was lost. The last transmission was a cryptic message, filled with static and interference. The world held its breath as scientists and engineers scrambled to understand what had happened. The disappearance of Spaceship Hope sparked a wave of speculation and concern. Theories ranged from the mundane to the extraordinary. Some suggested that the spacecraft had encountered a catastrophic event, while others believed that it had stumbled upon an alien civilization. Despite numerous attempts to re-establish contact, Spaceship Hope remained eerily silent. The mystery deepened as days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The world watched with growing anxiety, wondering if the crew would ever be found. A year later, a breakthrough came when a faint signal was detected. It was a beacon, emanating from the direction of Alpha Centauri. The signal was weak, but it was a sign of life. A rescue mission was launched, with the hope of finding the missing spacecraft and its crew. The rescue team arrived at the coordinates, only to find Spaceship Hope adrift in space, its hull scarred and battered. The crew was nowhere to be found. A thorough search of the spacecraft revealed no signs of struggle or violence. The question of what happened to Spaceship Hope and its crew remained unanswered. Was it a natural disaster? A mechanical failure? Or something more sinister? The disappearance of the spacecraft continues to haunt the minds of scientists and space enthusiasts around the world. The fate of Spaceship Hope serves as a reminder of the risks and uncertainties associated with space exploration. It is a testament to the courage and determination of those who dare to venture into the unknown. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.